Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to fix the Windows 11 update error that says your device is missing important security updates. Let's get started. First, let's check for updates manually. Click on the Start menu, type Settings, and hit Enter. Now go to Windows Update on the left panel and click Check for Updates. If updates are available, let them install and restart your PC. If that doesn't work, let's run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings again, go to System, then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters and find Windows Update. Click Run and let Windows detect and fix any problems. Next, let's make sure the Windows Update service is running. Press Windows R on your keyboard, type services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click it and select Properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and click Start if the service is not running. Click Apply and OK. If the issue persists, try resetting the Windows Update components. Open the Start menu, type CMD, and right-click and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. Netspace, stop space, WAUSERV and press Enter. Netspace, stop space, CRYBTSVC and press Enter. Netspace, stop space, bits and press Enter. Netspace, stop space, MSISERVER and then press Enter. Then restart the services by typing netspace start space WAUSERV. Netspace start space CRYPTSVC. Enter. Netspace start space bits. Netspace start space MSISERVER and press Enter. Now close the command prompt and restart your computer. If you are still getting the error, let's check your system files. Open command prompt as administrator again and type sfc space/scan now. Let the scan complete and restart your PC. If corrupted files are found and repaired, try updating Windows again. Another thing to check is your date and time settings. Click on the Start menu, go to Settings. Then Time and Language, make sure the time is set correctly and that set time automatically is enabled. If none of these solutions work, try updating Windows manually. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for the latest update for your system, download it, and install it manually, and that's it. Now you know how to fix the Windows 11 update error. Your device is missing important security updates. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.